Hi, everyone. If you're watching this, you're probably interested in the Immigration Law Clinic. This clinic's great. We do a lot of interesting things and help a lot of people. My name is Luke Shammy, and these are all the most senior students in the clinic right now. And we're just going to go in a circle and explain why you should join this great clinic. Like I said, my name is Luke Shammy. I'm the son of two immigrants, so I've always had an interest in immigration law. And it's been a great experience so far. I've helped a lot of people, and I've truly felt like I've had an impact on people's lives. So if you're interested in doing things like that, please join.
Hi, everybody. My name is Ken Held. I really didn't have any experience with family or friends, too many family or friends who were immigrants before joining the family law clinic, or excuse me, the immigration law clinic. Nothing against the family law clinic, guys, but this video is about the #1 clinic. So I joined the clinic to have an answer during interviews about my litigation experience, because I also had none of that before. And since joining the clinic, I've gotten to help a lot of people and meet a lot of great people, like Luke said, while getting an answer to that question, some valuable litigation experience. So if you're anything like me and want the same, it's a very rewarding experience.
I'm Allison. I joined the clinic my spring semester of my 2L year after taking an immigration law class. I found it really interesting, and in our current times, immigration is kind of a hot topic. And so I wanted to feel like I was doing something about it, and the clinic is a great way to help people and give them chances they otherwise wouldn't have.
Hi, I'm Megan. I joined the clinic because I wanted to gain experience with the practical aspect of law as opposed to the theoretical classroom focused aspect that we normally get in law school. And that has been a really cool experience, filing and having my own clients that I help and support. I've also had an opportunity to assist with some of the policy sides of immigration law. The Immigration Law Clinic actually filed an amicus brief this past summer in opposition to the executive order from the Trump administration regarding international students and the online courses. And we're also currently working on a comment to a notice of proposed rulemaking, which is changing the visa status for international students. So there's a lot of different aspects of work that you're able to do at the clinic that really does make an impact across all kinds of people's lives.
Hi, everyone. I'm Professor Velas Martinez. Students call me PVM. I'm the director of the clinic. These 4 students that you see here are probably an example of 4 of the best students that the clinic has ever had, and they won't tell you, but they are by now immigration attorneys, and 4 very, very good ones. Everything that they said was voluntary, absolutely voluntary. I hope that we get to see some of you at the Immigration Law Clinic. And PVM, and I approve this message.